In this video, I'll show you how to protect your Wise account from fraud. Step 1. Enable two-step verification. Turn on two-step verification in the Wise app for login and payments. This adds an extra layer beyond your passwords. Step 2. Use biometrics and strong passwords. Set up fingerprint or Face ID for the Wise app and use a strong, unique password. Step 3. Monitor account and card activity. Set up real-time notifications in Wise for every login, payment and card transaction. Regularly check your balances. Step 4. Utilize digital cards for online payments. For online shopping, use Wise's digital cards, distinct from your main card, and block or delete them after use. Step 5. Control card access. Freeze or block your Wise's card instantly in the app if lost or if you notice suspicious activity. Step 6. Beware of scams and phishing attempts. Never share your PINs, passwords, or one-time codes. Wise will never ask for these by phone, email, or chat. Step 7. Use trusted devices and networks. Avoid logging into Wise from public computers or public Wi-Fi. Always use secure private connections. Step 8. Report suspicious activity immediately. If you suspect fraud or see an unauthorized payment, contact Wise support right away and report the transaction. Now I have some additional tips for account security. Check for updated devices authorized on your Wise profile. Keep the app up to date. Security patches are delivered regularly. When in doubt, stop, challenge, and protect. Take 5 before responding to requests for payment or personal info. And that's how you prevent fraud on Wise. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.